No. No! I have small eyes, so I used to draw eyeliner for small eyes like this to hopefully make it look bigger, but when I open my eyes, it look like this. If you have a monolids or hooded eyes, you are in the right place. Here's a small eye hack I learned. Put a scotch tape to make the perfect angle. But I don't want to ruin my foundation. Or find something to find a right angle, like getting the cardboard. But I need something quicker, easier for the natural eyeliner look. So I'm gonna show you the easiest, safest, and laziest way to draw the perfect winged eyeliner for small eyes. Keep watching because the last I'm going to ask Guy if he could tell the difference. First, my previous video also mentioned this eyeliner hack for small eyes. If you are a beginner, start with an angled brush, dip a little dark brown eyeshadow. So now you get an extended eyeliner line, just attach it to the large line over the flow. Then fill it in. Here we go. When you open your eyes, you still have those wings hiding under the flow. Okay, now coming to the lower eyeliner, I used to do this. If you have small eyes like me, you know the struggle. You just want to make your eyes as big as possible. Now, I use lighter color for lower lash line, keep 1 to 2 millimeter space, and draw some lower eyelashes. Then apply eyeshadow, mascara, or glue the eyelash to make your eyes look natural. If you want to know some hacks to make your eyes look bigger, brighter, click the link in the corner to check out my daily eye makeup. Alright, here's the results. Do you see the difference? I'm gonna ask a guy to see if he could tell the difference. Keep watching.
Put it back first?
Yeah. So which side do you think looks better?
Which one should I say look? Can you wait? Which one should I say looks better?
It's up to you. You see any difference of left and right?
One side having a different shade than the other one.
So which side do you think looks better?
Your left side. It looks more natural. Myself, I prefer a lighter makeup, and I think the right side is too heavy for my taste.
So if you enjoyed this video and find these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Alright, so look at my face.
Can I take it? What's the difference? I actually did.
No, can you go back? Do it again, alright? So, Mr. Paperback, do you see the difference of both of my eyes?
Your left side looks... so...
Okay, Mr. Paperback, listen to the question, alright?
You're very welcome. Also follow me on paperbacktv.com. Not yet. Stay tuned for updates.